So now let us do a sum on hexagonal lamina. So before we do, so this is my xy line. So let me just mention x here, y here. It's capital. Then VP and HP. Always VP is up and HP is down. Only from planes till the end. Okay. So remember what I said, from the planes. So don't make up and down. So in lines it might change, but not in this. Okay. So let me take an example of your what to say, schools, one of the sums from your syllabus. Not school, anyhow, that's fine. So see, the question is a hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm. So see, they gave a side 25 mm, rests on one of its corner. So see here, make sure what they have mentioned. They have mentioned side or corner. So this time they have said corner. On HP, the lamina makes 45 degree to HP, and the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. So see, they say diagonal and all, just ignore that. So for VP it's 30, for HP it's 45. That's all we have to know. So now I'll just write here. So the side was 25, 45 for HP, and 30 degree for VP. Okay, so now what I have to do? So like he said, it's resting on a corner. Okay, so now, so resting in the corner means the corner should come like this. Let me just erase this with my fingers. I will show you. So see here, usually how the hexagon is, this will be one line here, this will be one line. Hey, that's some benzene ring, right, in your chemistry. Yeah, like this. So if they said side, it will be like this. If they say corner, it will be like this. I hope you understood. Practical examples are more necessary sometimes. Okay, so now, so to make corner, if it was side, I would directly put line like this and cut angle. So what angle you have to cut? 120 degree. So first let me take from the base. Okay, what was the length? It was 25 mm. So okay, and sometimes it's also a good idea to make a hexagonal lamina. How? So you have to measure first 25 mm. Okay, I'll show you the two ways to do. So see, this is not 25 mm right now. Now let me just yeah, okay, I'll first let me tell you this. So what you can do, I took a base of 25, right? So I have to take this 120 degree, put a line, then cut here 120 degree, put a line, cut. Then again I have to keep my protractor legs on that line, cut line, but that's a bit hectic and time consuming. So now one easy way of doing that, I'll just show you. So keep your protractor like this in one point. This is fine. Okay, let me take from here itself. It should be neat, right? So it should come exactly on this. It's little, it's already too old, right? Like 10 years. Anyhow, I have to adjust with this. I have no other option. But make sure it's not that too dark. So see, I have made a circle of 25 mm. Okay. So now what I have to do? Yeah, 25. So here, just a second. So since it's resting on corner, so this I can consider one point, right? So still 25 itself, I'll put an arc like this. Keeping on this arc, I'll put an arc here. Keeping on this arc, I'll put an arc here. So it should come exactly here itself. So from here one arc, from here one arc. That should give me a proper hexagon. Okay, so if I do like this, okay, so just let me take my pencil and put the lines. So I hope you understood how we put this. Okay, draw the hexagon. It's very easy, right? Whatever the side length they are given, take that much radius, make a circle, and then what you have to do, consider one point and just start cutting on each edges. That's it. So now next thing what you have to do, I'll go a bit fast since I have explained a few sums earlier, right? So this comes here and this comes here, so total it should be 50. Understood? And now this line should must meet this line. If it is not meeting, na, just adjust a little. What say I? Okay. Proper. Then now I'll have a dark line from here. Dark in the sense thick. You can ask your lecturers about that, or else I'll post a thing. Let me just name it A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so now see here, A is visible, so this is A dash, so D dash. Now here B dash is visible but F is not visible, so I'll write B dash in the bracket F dash. So here what I'll write, C dash in the bracket E dash. Okay. Now what has said 45 degree to HP. So I won't measure 45. Why? Because this lines are 45 itself. Okay. So I'll take like this thin line, and what I have to do, measure this properly from A to D. Okay. See, it will come exactly in the center. Why? Okay, here it's coming. Then I have to measure from A to this point. Okay, here. First till here I did, now till here, exact. Now see here, from here to here should be equal to here to here. Okay. It's correct, just erasing the extra things. I don't want more thick line, fat lines. Done. Okay, so let me just name it again. So same thing, A dash here, what is that? B dash in the bracket F dash, C dash in the bracket E dash, and here I'll have D dash. I know these numbers and all letters are not that quite clear and visible. Okay, so I can try to zoom in a bit in that, what to say, YouTube, right? So just try that. Let me bring all the lines down. So see here, A is here, so from A I'll just bring line like this till this. From D I'll bring it simply till this. F and E. Okay, so my E is here. Bring a line down like this. So this is here, just bring a line down like this. Okay, then you have to extend these lines like this. Little yes, here I made it a cross line. So make sure you don't do it cross, because your sum will go wrong. It came cross only because I cannot see straight now, because the camera is above. If I try to see straight, I might come in the way. So anyways, it's still cross, so I'll take a bit point down. It's still correct itself. Okay, so then from here I have to take. So this will be easy to measure. See, now I got my 6 points respectively. So this is my A, B, C, D, E, F. I just have to join them now. Okay. The main headache comes in third schedule, right? I know that. I'll just explain it in a simple way to you guys. It shouldn't be that difficult. Then it might look a little bit okay. That's just because I cannot see straight, but still this is exactly the way it comes. Okay, and this line should be dark over here now, and I have to mention the angle 45. Now what he said, 30 degree, right? So to the VP it's inclined to 30 degree. So from this point I have to make it 30. So what I'll do, I'll just draw a line like this, already there, right? From here I will take 30 degree. It's both are same itself. It just has to be 30 degree, right? So that's fine. See, 30 degree from this point. Okay, so I'll mention here as 30 degree. So now I have to, so this is the resting edge, so I'll consider, where shall I consider, this is fine, right? This point, I'll take this as my A. So I take, anyhow you can take anywhere you want. So now main thing, see, this is my A, so this same thing should turn like this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll measure from A to D. It's exactly, I guess, 1 2 point, okay, it's exactly 3 sorry, 3.5. Now I took A here, keeping on this point I will put on arc. Okay, so that will be my D, simple. So this becomes my D. Now what I will do, I will measure B to E. Okay, D to E. I will just cut like this, and I will cut like this, simply random. The same way I will do here. Okay, so I wanted this two angles, so this two I have made an arc, this two I will make an arc. Now what I will do, from here to here I will measure, from here to here I will measure E. Okay, it should be exactly at this E point. So now keeping on A, if I cut here, so this will give my E and this will give my C. Keeping on D, if I cut here, that should give my F, this should give my B. I'll just erase the extra lines to reduce the confusion. If you get a doubt, you can just skip back and see how I did it. Okay, so let me just join the lines. Okay, so I got my lamina tilted 30 degree to VP. So I'm not named it yet. Okay, so now this will go straight like this, A. Now I'll label it. So this is my B, right? This is C, D, E. So I'll put F here. Okay, so straight lines, I have to take straight lines all over. Straight, yeah, straight enough. So see here, B and F stops here. So B and F I'll take till this line, so that it should be easy for me to erase later. Then C and E will stop on this, near this. So I'll take them near them. Just extend the line till then. E ho gaya, C ka I took extra itself. Now D. Okay, don't think D is on the line exactly. It's not on the line exactly. Now you have to bring lines like this from each side. Okay, I know you cannot see these lines, but I'll just lift it up for you guys, as you can see here. Okay, so little bit you can see, right? Let me just focus a bit. It's not getting much focus, but still you can see. I hope you can see those things. Okay, so let me just keep it back properly. So I'll just highlight the points where it is intersecting. Okay, F will intersect here. So this is my E, right? Yeah, E is here. See, as you can see, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let me just join it and then show you again. Okay, so see here. So I had extended the lines now, so I had to take like this, come like this. So now I label them again. So my A is the resting now, A dash is here. So B dash is here. So this will be my F dash, E dash, D dash. So this is my D dash. So I have to erase this extra lines slightly, that you can see properly and erase now what's there in that. Okay, so I hope you understood. You have to write a note, all dimensions are in mm. So I have to give dimension here, just a small few seconds thing. So 25, right? Anyways, so I hope you understood. It's pretty neat and good. So if you have any doubts, you can just let me know and I will do those things.